Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Honda CB300R Sport. Single cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled, lightweight. This little street fighter just got here with only 6,000 miles on the odometer. It's got the little mini fly screen, fender eliminator, brand new rear tire. She's in gorgeous condition. Come on by, make your lightweight motor scooter dreams come true for just $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.